Hi guys, welcome to the series of shell scripting for the beginners. In this lecture, we will start new topic that is string operations and we will cover chopping string overview in this lecture. Chopping strings or performing operations on the strings is the important task in the scripting. So chopping string means splitting an original string into smaller separate chunk, and this is one of the most important task that is performed daily by our shell script. So many times shell scripts need to take fully qualified path, that is the absolute path, and find the terminating file or the directory. So suppose if there is a absolute path to the particular file, sometimes you need to remove all the previous path to that particular file and store only the file name. In that process you can use this string chopping, and for that purpose base name command is very frequently used. So this what this base name command will do, it will chop the previous data in the given string, and it will print only the file name in the given path. So let's see how this base name will work in this operation. So let's say I'm currently working in the shell directory, and I have a file hello.sh in this directory. So what I will do, I will provide the path to this hello.sh to this base name argument, base name command. Let's say base name and the absolute path to this hello.sh file. So I have already copied the path. Okay, let's do it again. I will copy this complete path, which is the absolute path, and we will paste it here, and we'll give the file name also. So this is the input to the base name command, absolute path to the particular file. And what this base name will do, it will remove all this data before the hello.sh, and it will print only the hello.sh file name. So let's see, here you can see hello.sh. So this is the complete string given as input to the base name, and it will chop this string from this location up to here, and it will say only hello.sh, and it will show it on the terminal. So this base name is very frequently used to chop the strings. We can perform some operations on this base name command, that is we can provide a flag that is -s, and let's say you want to give the option like suppose you want to remove this .sh extension also. You just need hello, then what you can do, -s, and the part from which you want to remove the string. So .sh. So base name will basically remove this data, so only hello.sh will be remained here, and this -s and .sh will tell to remove dot and sh also from this string. So it will print only hello. So here you can see. So this is how we can use this base name to chop the strings. So there is one more command, that is dir name and path to this particular file. Let's say hello.sh, and it will remove the file name, and it will print the directory name. So it will provide the directory path in which that particular file is available. So this hello.sh is available in shell directory, so it will provide the complete path to that particular directory using dir name. So this is another command to chop the strings on the command line. So in the next lecture we will see how we can chop the strings with the different options using the scripts. See you.